And welcome to Poppy's Workshop and what's on Poppy's Workbench. Continuing on from my my live that I did on Sunday, and I will be doing on Memorial Day Monday, just a short video live from the workshop. But I am working on a love spoon right now, and did a little bit of carving, and just kind of working around the perimeter, the little heart slash vine, for lack of a better term. And I'm just starting to get a little depth to it. I'm sorry, I just banged the microphone. I'm just getting a little bit of depth here, and just working on cleaning up the cuts here. Oh, just had somebody come into the workshop. That's why I got quiet. Yeah, it's a little bit dry, the mahogany, but let's see. I think you can see what I did is I actually raised up. There's a little 1/8" square long stick underneath. It raises this up an 1/8 of an inch, so that's going to be my first distance of the cut. And I'm debating, I'm making just a little bit of an up here, and then come back down. It'll be down here and come up. So let me bring this down just a little bit. There we go. Clean up that. You can't see this here, but I'm cleaning up the petal just a little bit. There we go. And of course, once I get my sandpaper in there, I'm going to get this down further. I think I want this down 1/8 of an inch all the way. Yeah, I think that'll be good. You know, I forgot to put my glove on. Probably don't need it, but, you know, I can be a klutz at times. So, as I was always told, rather safe than sorry, and a word to the wise is sufficient. So there we go. And then I'll come back and I'll round that out some. You can't see it here, but that stem I'm starting to round out. So I think what I want to do, I got too many of my gouges on. Wait a second. What I'm looking at, this is a curved gouge, and I'm looking at making a stop cut, and I want to make sure that I'm on the line. Yep, that's a good one. Not too bad. And this is my first stop cut. Probably goes down about a little bit less than 1/16 of an inch. Oh, just heard some thunder. We're having a bit of the thunder boomers right now. It is summer in the mid-Atlantic. Well, this is the official start of summer, even though it is still May. Oops, did I do a stop cut there? No, I did not. Ooh. So let's get a stop cut in there. We'll go deeper. There we go. And get that down. So I'm trying to get more 3 dimensions here. Actually, I think I'm going to switch back to my angle. Flat. You know, let's see. I want that to come up and then go down here. can't see on that side, but I'm trying to go down that 3-4 millimeters and then taper it back up over where the pink is still. And as I had explained in my live, my pattern is adhered directly to the wood, so I can just carve it right away, not worry about having tape, or what I use is clear shelf liner. So there we go. So this is what I will be doing tomorrow. I'll be probably going a little bit further in the carving, and then doing more of the flowers, and then doing the center there. But yeah, let me smooth that out a little bit and let that come up. There we go. And just like that, I'll wind up smoothing that out a little bit more. Yeah, so it's pretty level here, then it comes up, and then it comes back down, and we'll get that down at least the full 1/8 of an inch on this side, and kind of go from there. So that's what's on Poppy's workbench right now, and we're about 7 minutes in, so I don't want to keep it too long here. So with that, may the Lord richly bless you. Make it a great day right here at Poppy's Workshop.